Hello everyone, welcome to Mewadus digital channel. Here we have a question: factorize x squared plus xx plus 9. Here, how do we factorize a quadratic expression? Now, we take it step by step. Now, we have x squared plus 6x plus 9. This is a quadratic expression. To factorize a quadratic expression, we bring out the first term here and bring out the second term here. The first term here is x squared. The last term here is plus 9. We multiply these two together, then we are going to have a plus 9x squared plus 9x squared. Now, the next step is we now think of two factors that we can multiply together to give us plus 9x squared. Let me break it down like this. We think of two numbers that we can multiply together to give us plus 9x squared. This is what we have, plus 9x squared. Now, for this x part, we know that definitely we are going to have x when we multiply 2x. Now, we are now left with this plus 9. Now, for plus 9, for us to have two numbers to multiply together to give us a plus 9, instead of having a plus and the second number is a plus, the first number is a minus, or the second number is a minus. Those are the two numbers that when we multiply them together will give us a plus. Now, that is where the multiplications of sign comes into place. If you don't know multiplication of sign, go to the YouTube channel and check for videos on multiplications of sign. Yeah, this is where we have some of the application of them. Multiplications of sign, plus times minus and all that. Videos are there on the YouTube channel. Now, plus 9x squared. Now that means we can have a plus 9x and a plus x. This will give us plus x squared, or we can have a minus 9x and a minus x. We could also have plus 3x. We could also have plus 3x. Plus 3x times plus 3x is going to give us a plus 9x squared. We can also have a minus 3x and minus 3x. That is, all these will give us plus 9x squared plus 9x squared. These two factors of plus 9x squared, all these listed here are now, but which of these factors are we going to make use of? We are not going to make use of all these factors here. Then now, the factor to make use of will be that when we sum the factors must give the middle term. Now in this case here, the middle term here is plus 6x, that is plus 6x. By the time we sum, that's when we add it together, must give us that. Now let's look at the factors that we have. Which of these, when we add them together, will give us the middle term? Here we see that if we had plus 9x plus x, this is going to give us a plus 10x. If we have minus 9x plus minus x, this is going to give us a minus 10x. If we have the third one here, plus 3x plus 3x, this is going to give us a plus 6x. We take the last one here, which is minus 3x plus minus 3x. This is going to give us a minus 6x. Now, from what we said, that the factor to pick must be the one that when we sum the factors, the two factors together, must give us the middle term, that is plus 6x. So if we check from here, we will see that it is plus 3x and plus 3x, the factor that yielded the middle term, which is plus 6x. That is, plus 3x and plus 3x is the factor that we are going to use. Good. Let's proceed. Here we have here we have x square plus 6x plus 9. Now in this case, we now go back to our factorization. This is the question given. After doing all this, we now have x square. That means wherever we see this plus 6x here, we are going to replace it with plus 3x plus 3x. Then we have plus 3x plus 3x. Then this we have plus 9. Then we can now factorize now. We have 4 terms here, so we group them into 2. X square and plus 3x. What is the highest common factor here? The highest common factor here is x. So we have x bracket x plus 3. Then we have plus 3x and plus 9. What's the highest common factor here? Plus 3. Then we have x plus 3. Here, if you notice, we are having the same term in this bracket here, x plus 3, x plus 3. So we write one first, x plus 3. Then we have, what do we have here? X plus 3. In this case, we have factorized x square plus 6x plus 9. Surely, Kole. That's how to factorize quadratic expression. Try this. Factorize x square plus 10x plus 21. Leave your answer in the comment section. Chole, Kole.